Hello, welcome friend. This is a LG inverter direct drive 6 kg front load washing machine. I have a problem. The beep sound is not coming. So just powering on. I have rectified the issue, and I want to tell you how to recover the beep sound for this front load washing machine of LG. So I am powering on right now. So now the beep sound is coming. So just hold on, time delay and seize care, write this, there it is, for 5 seconds. You will have the no beep sound. Yeah, beep sound gone. I am rotating this button, but beep sound gone. Now I just powering off it, and later on I will do how to get the beep sound. Just power on, power on. Now I will show you how to get the beep sound back. Right, this time delay and seize care. Please care for holding 5 seconds. Yeah, the beep sound has come right now. So thank you friend, I hope this video will help you. Thank you very much.